we're going to be doing a Christmas vlog. I mean, why did I put this shirt on? Okay, just a disclaimer before this video starts. I want to get a couple things straight. Y'all know that freaking camera make my skin look horrible. So, we just going to ignore that. It's not even as bad as it looks. It's just that camera just amplifies everything times 10. So, yeah. Then, in the video, like, my friend too was coming up. So, it's like 3 a.m. and I recorded that. So, just... I don't care. Don't tell me. I already know. My skin looks trash in that video. My friend was coming up. Okay, what else you got to say? So, yeah. Enjoy the video. Okay, hey y'all. So in today's video we're going to be doing a Christmas vlog. I mean, what am I recording? Okay, hey y'all. So in today's video we're going to be doing my Christmas wish list 2018. So let me tell y'all, let me get real, let me tell y'all how I feel about these videos. Every year I see these videos and I hate them, because I used to feel like I never felt like it was bragging, but I just felt like why do I care what you want for Christmas? So I passed it 2016, I passed it last year, but this year I said I wasn't gonna pass it because apparently that's what people like, that's what's trending right now, and I'm gonna hop on the bandwagon. And to be honest, I really didn't even have a wish list. I just threw something together earlier, so all of the stuff that I want is not even on here because I can't remember. You know when you try to think of something and it just don't come to your mind because you think about it. I also decided to do this video because I'm the type of person where if you ask me what do I want, I'm going to tell you I don't want anything. I'm going to tell you not to get me nothing or whatever the case may be. Because I just hate people buying stuff for me. Like, I hate people like going out their way. I hate feeling like I'm being a bother. This can not only, I mean, this don't have to be just as a Christmas wish list. This can be like a birthday wish list. And in no way, shape, or form am I asking for this stuff. I'm not asking for any of this. This is just what would be on my wish list. It's called a wish list for a reason. We broke over here. We ain't got this type of money. But I'm just saying. Okay. The first thing on my list is a Canon 80D. It's a DSLR camera. And I want like the kit. I don't just want the body. I don't just want the lens. I want everything. I want a tripod with it, even though I got one. And those range from about like, the lowest is like 800 to like, and then you got like all the way up to 3,000. Okay, so the second thing on my list that I want is a Rode Video Mic Go. It's a microphone that connects to my camera. And I really want a microphone because like I don't need one right now because okay, so what I use is a Canon T3i and it's so old, but the mic it's a built-in mic and it's good. Like it's what I've been using this whole time. But if I get another camera like the 80D, 70D, T5i, T6i, you know, all of those, they mics is just trash. So I would definitely need a mic, and they range from 60 to 149 or 150 on Amazon. So I definitely would love to have that. The next thing, I also need a tripods. I want multiple tripods. So I have one now, but it's not sturdy. Like it's like just a regular tripod. I want a heavy duty tripod for my camera and for my phone. I want two, one for my camera, one for my phone, but the one for my camera I want it to be like interchangeable, so like I can put my phone on there if I wanted to, because it's just not working. Like sometimes I be wanting to record with my phone, but I don't be having a tripod. So, and the one and I also, well no, I do need three then I think, because I want one that's flexible so I can like bend it and stuff, because if I'm trying to show y'all something like that's down below, I can't. Okay, the next thing I want is an adapter for my earphones and for my charger, because you know, like I think 7 or up or 8 or up, whatever, but the iPhones now you can't charge your phone and you can't play music, and that's really ridiculous. Next, on to apparel. So if y'all don't know, I'm trying to start a business and I need money to like get my inventory. I'm trying to start a clothing business and I just need money to get my inventory. So that's all I need is like money. Like I just need money for the clothes, and that's the only reason why I put it in this like apparel section, is because I need money for the clothes. The next thing I want are these Fendi shoes. Y'all, they so freaking cute. I don't even know how to pronounce it, so I'm not even gonna try to say it. But on Neiman Marcus, they are $750. They so freaking cute. Like, I don't even really be liking designer shoes like that because I think they ugly for the price, but these are just cute. Okay, the next thing I want is some Nike boots. That's not the real name for them, but I'll put a picture because I don't know how to pronounce the real name. I want some Nike boots, and preferably I want the white ones. But every time, like, they always sold out online, and every time I go in the store, they don't never have my size. So I want some white Nike boots, and I want some that's that material. I can't even think of it right now. Okay, next I want some Dr. Martens. I can do any color in them. I can do any color in those too, but I preferably want white. The price is also very, I think I wear a 9 or 10. I don't remember. Moving, oh no. I also want them Ugg slippers, y'all. They are so freaking cute. Let me look them up right now. Okay, so they retail for $99.95 at Nordstrom's, which is basically $100. And I don't care what color I get them in. I can get them in any color, but I really freaking want them. And I think the Uggs I wear is 10. I really want those slippers. Like, they are so cute. Anybody that knows me, y'all know I freaking love robes. Robes. So I just want robes. Like, it don't matter where you get them from. You can get them from Walmart. You can get them from Nordstrom. You can get them from Macy's. You can get them from Target. Shoot, you can even get it from freaking Family Dollar. I don't care. I just want some robes. Silk, satin, cotton, wool. I just want endless robes because I just freaking love robes. On the topic of robes, I want freaking nightgowns. Anybody who knows me, they also know I love nightgowns, and I just want some more. Like, I just want endless nightgowns and endless robes. I wear like a small or medium, depending on how it's cut. Like, you can, I wear small, but you like some stuff is cut really small, so I wear medium. But you can kind of like look at a piece of clothing and tell if it'll fill me out. I mean, you know, be too big on me or be too small on me. So yeah. Okay, this is kind of on apparel, but it's kind of not. I need some more scarves for my head. Like, I need some more head scarves and bonnets. I get tired of using the same one over and over again, and I be having money to buy some more, but that's really not the first thing on your mind when you get some money. Like, oh yeah, I gotta buy me a new scarf. Oh yeah, I gotta buy me a new bonnet. So I need some scarves and bonnets. Okay, so on to makeup, my favorite part. So y'all know that I used to be obsessed with makeup. I used to do my makeup every single day. Then I switched it to every Friday because it was beginning to be too much for me. I would run out of ideas and I was getting frustrated with it. But during that time I was doing makeup, I didn't realize how satisfied and happy it was. Like, I just love makeup. It's an art. And I kind of gave up on makeup because I ran out of ideas. I felt like it was ugly and all of that stuff. But practice makes perfect. And so I stopped. And like, I wasn't happy anymore. Then I started it again. And I felt that thing that I had lost. And I stopped again. And so I truly have came to the realization that that's what I love doing. I love doing makeup. And ever since I stopped, like, I threw some makeup away and some of it got old and stuff. So I just need to re-up my collection. Like, every time I used to get my hands on some money, y'all, I used to spend it on brushes and makeup. Like, that's it. And so I'm gonna start that again because that really can get me somewhere. First piece of makeup that I want is so freaking old, and I don't know why I don't have it, but the Anastasia Renaissance palette. So that came out like years ago. I don't know why I don't have it, but that is $42. You can get that at Sephora Ulta, or basically anywhere. The second thing from Anastasia that I want is the Sultry palette. I don't know when that came out. Like I said, I haven't been on my makeup tip, so I really don't know when this stuff come out. Like, I'm probably late with this stuff, but that also retails for $42. So I want the Sasha Buttercup powder. That retails for $20, and you can order that. I don't know if they sell it in stores. They might sell it at like Ulta, Sephora or something. I don't know. But I've really been wanting a buttercup powder for a long time. I've been getting like, I had like Makeup Revolution. I can't even remember all the other brand banana powders I didn't had. But they just don't do anything for me. And I really feel like the Sasha Buttercup powder will really just bring my face together. Okay, I want the palette called Yes Please from ColourPop. It's $16. I also want the Lit and Wet set from ColourPop, and that's $24, and that's 2 eyeshadow palettes. They so pretty, and why buy them separately when you can buy them in a set for $24? Next on the list is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It retails for $40, and I've been wanting this ever since it came out, and I never had $40 to spend on one foundation, so I never got it. I don't even remember what color I am. It's been so long. Since we're on the topic of foundations, I will also want the NARS Natural Radiant foundation, I think, yeah, and that retails for $50. I've been wanting that forever too. I don't know what color I am. Back to palettes, I've been really wanting the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and it retails for $38. You can get that at like Ulta and on the Morphe websites. A lot of this stuff is so freaking old. I just don't be having like a bag to drop on makeup, especially on one thing. Like, if I'm spending $50 on more than one thing, that's fine. But if I'm spending $50 on just one foundation or just one eyeshadow palette, like, I just cannot do it. From Morphe, I want the 35O palette, and that retails for $24. And then I want the 35OM palette. Now the 35O palette is a mix of matte and shimmers, but the 35OM palette is just all mattes. So yeah. Next is the Morphe Armed and Gorgeous palette. It retails for $50 on the website, and it's just so pretty. Like, it got like greens and oranges and yellows and stuff in it, and I feel like it's a more cool tone palette, and I don't really have a lot of cool tone palettes, so I really want that. Okay, next I want the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter, and on the Ofra website it retails for $35, but then on the Sephora website it retails for like $29 or something like that. But I think they like kind of 2 different colors, because they look like 2 different colors on the websites. So I've been really wanting Rodeo Drive for a long time. Okay, I also, these really don't have a brand because it doesn't matter. I want those liquid shimmer eyeshadows. I think Tarte has some, but they're like 20 or 24, something like that. It doesn't matter, they can be any brand. I just want some liquid shimmer shadows, and I need some brushes. I want face brushes, eye brushes, all types of brushes, because I can just never have enough brushes. And if you want to know my favorite type of brush, my favorite type of brush is a blending brush. So like, if you're my friend and you wondering what to get me, you can go to the dollar store, and Elf freaking sells single brushes, and you can just get me a whole bunch of single blending brushes, and I will freaking just die. Like, next I want a blow dryer, not a blow dryer, a freaking hair dryer for my hair, so I can like do styles and sit under the dryer, because I had a dryer but then we broke it. I dropped it down the steps. I'm pretty sure it's a lot more that I want on this list, but I just can't think of anything, because under pressure my brain just breaks. In no way, shape or form am I asking anybody to get me any of this stuff, because like, come on now, it's me. But I'm just uploading this video because it's what people want to see. If you like that video, then comment below on what else you would like to see. Subscribe and hit the notification button so you can be notified every time I upload, because I upload for you guys, not for me, and y'all really don't be watching my stuff. So my subscriber count do not measure my views, so make it happen. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.